Hey, what's up? If you're an accountant, a bookkeeper, a tax professional, a CPA firm, I'm going to show you how to update your Google business profile. I'm doing it for one of our customers right now. And this is huge because, well, let's just dive into it. So it's 2023 and the Google business profile has changed a little bit. Remember, the whole idea here is that we are trying to show up when people search bookkeeper near me. And as you roll down here, we want to show right here. I would encourage you to spend some time and look at bookkeeper near me, bookkeeping services, accountants near me, tax accountants near me. There's a bunch of these. So I'm going to show you how to update your Google business profile, which is incredibly important. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to fill this out as completely as possible. So I'm going to come in, and this is where your Google business is actually managed now. You can head up here, click this business profile. If you just search your name in search, as long as you're on the Google business profile that it has access to this, you're going to be able to do some stuff. So what we're going to do, and remember, if you're ever working with me, if you go to business profile settings, you want to add a manager on here, you can do that. If you want to add some other people, that's really easy. But what we're going to do is we're going to start with editing your profile. And this is an interesting thing that a lot of people don't know. So first off, here's some little tips. When you come to your business category, this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to start out, and there's always a primary one, and it could be, there's a couple of these. This is kind of goofy. There's an accounting firm, but there's also, and this is the key, we're going to add another category. Now, he's a certified public accountant. Not all of you are CPAs, but we want to put that in there. Also, we're going to add a category. Watch this, accountant. That's ridiculous, right? So we've got accounting firm, certified public accountant, bookkeeping services. That's another super important one. Folks, if you don't fill these out, you're not going to be able to show up for this. And what I've found is that over time, if you haven't changed this, I'm telling you, it will degrade your local search rankings huge. Now, it'll take a while for you to gear up to this, but bookkeeping service, accountant, accounting firm, certified public accountant. Another one, watch this, tax preparation. We have two of them, tax preparation and tax preparation services. It's kind of goofy. I'm not really sure which one is best. I don't know that I would tell you exactly which one you'd want to stack here to get more business accountants. But what I do know is that this, along with some of you are chartered accountants, chartered accountant is also in there. Now, that's not him, so I'm not going to put that. But the other one you're going to want to put in there is payroll services. Even if you don't want to major in bookkeeping or payroll, by golly, those are businesses. Now, if you want a website marketing and setup that will actually help you rank, we'd invite you to come here and help us. Or invite you to book a call with us here at Feedback Wrench. We'll set up a website, a Google ad, a remarketing campaign, and get you set up. But this is the basics. We're going to hit save. That's going to take a little bit of time to go through. Now, the other thing you're going to see is that after this is digested, you're going to want to come back to this, and you're going to want to go down to edit services. And the services will, once they're updated, there's going to be a ton of different ones that show up there. Now, one of the things you might find is that it says it'll start adding some goofy ones. I would encourage you to get rid of the ones that don't look right and come back to this every once in a while. Every couple weeks, peek in at this while you're getting more reviews. Remember, the way you get more reviews is you would come to this little thing and you'd say, get more reviews, get your first reviews, and you're going to grab that link and send it out. But when you come in here, you're going to want to go to your services, and as you get going there, they will show up there, and there's going to be opportunity to write more information. Perhaps you do that because it will show up on the side, and it'll show up on the side here as people look for your business. Make sure that you have your Google or your actual website in there. Make sure you put all of those keywords, and that's just the fundamentals. That's the beginning. Hopefully this is helpful. Make sure you've got that set up. If you really want to drive tons of business leads, reach out to us here at Feedback Wrench. Here's our website. And we'd encourage you, take a look at our work. A lot of these marketers out there, when you start paying attention, they're really cryptic. They don't provide a ton of value. If you go to my YouTube channel and watch the videos about how I started an accounting firm, if you come up here and look at our work, go to our websites and take a look at what we've built, you're going to be able to see the actual fruit. If you go look at our reviews, you can see what people like. And not only do we help you fill your funnel right away with a great website and paid ads with retargeting, but we can help you rank in Google over time for the local keywords, the national niche keywords, and we'll help you get a ton of clients. Good luck. God bless. Like and subscribe if this is helpful. We help entrepreneurs, business owners, accountants, bookkeepers, tax professionals, CPAs, and we do websites, marketing, copywriting. We handle everything for you. Good luck. God bless.